From jugaad to genius, how automation is transforming India for the global stage. Can you imagine every manufacturer in India doing automation? Imagine its impacts on customers, getting faster delivery, higher quality and unmatched reliability. This is the power of automation, making growth accessible for everyone. Sabke liye. Namaste, Jai Hind. My name is Dr. Sanjeev. I'm very excited to bring Renishaw's theme for upcoming IMTEX 25, which is automation for everyone. In this video, I'm going to answer 3 questions. First, why this theme? Second, why now? Third, what's in it for you? At the end of this video, I've got 3 key benefits for yourselves. We have been operating in India for last 30 odd years. We firmly believe India is on path to become the manufacturing powerhouse for the world. So let's begin with first question. Why this theme? Why automation for everyone? Because we believe precision should be accessible to every manufacturer in the country, be it large manufacturer, be it medium size, be it small size manufacturer. Automation empowers industry to drive efficiencies, reducing waste and deliver world-class quality to customers. At Renishaw, our mission is to make this transformation a reality for everyone, everywhere. Now the next question on your mind could be, why now? The world is changing faster than ever. India has got great opportunities in its domestic market and export markets as well. Customers are demanding speed, precision and reliability. Competition is rising from all the corners and the time to act is now. Automation is no longer an option. And the last question, quite an obvious one, what's in it for yourself? Why you should do an automation? Look, there's so many things one can automate, so many things. But the key is, what is your priority? The key is to select the processes that can give you maximum bang for your buck, maximum return on an investment. Manufacturers typically face 2 major challenges. Number 1 is waste and number 2 is variation, all sorts of waste. Material waste, cutting tool waste, machine downtime, part rejection and inconsistency in processes. So our idea is to first tackle this, because if your process is not consistent, if your process is not repeatable and reliable, no matter what automation you bring afterwards, you will not have desired outcome. So the first thing is to automate CNC processes, which is simple and easy to achieve. This will allow you to get maximum metal cutting time so that you can deliver maximum output. So simple tasks but very powerful tasks such as setting your workpiece, setting your machine, setting your cutting tools, setting your process. This should be first thing that one could automate. This will deliver amazing output. The next could be to bring automation to your in-process control while you're cutting your metal. So you can automate tasks such as tool condition monitoring and in-process gauging. This will allow you to compensate for costly errors such as thermal errors, tool wear, various sorts of machining errors. And now you can even take it to one notch above. You can automate the gauging on the shop floor, which is next to your machine, so that you can make every part correct by automating the measurement and compensating automatically to the shop floor and all the machines. So that's the power of automation we are talking about, and that's what you will be able to witness in IMTEX in Iceland. Look, we care for every little manufacturer in India. चाहे आपके पास एक मशीन हो, 10 मशीन हो, 100 मशीन हो, आप कुछ भी मेटल कट करते हो, we want to go to every corner in the country. We want to ensure आप सब कुछ लेवल का ऑटोमेशन कर पाए, so that you can make quality parts, you can expand your business. We truly want to take automation to every nook and corner in the country. We want to make it accessible for everyone. And as promised, I said I'll give you 3 key benefits. So those benefits are your ability to produce things faster, better, and cheaper. The future of manufacturing is here. विश्व का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का फ्यूचर यहाँ है, इस इन इंडिया. Let's build it together. Let's make India the most powerful nation of the world, the global powerhouse for manufacturing. Jai Hind. Namaste.